how to play Split Screen Fortnite on PS5. So first you want to load up Fortnite, and here the second thing that we need to do is to make sure that we have more than one person enabled. So we're gonna select play here, and for the build and squad, make sure your squad size is at least duos. So here teams are limited to 2, and you need to set it to 2 people, 3 or 4. Alright, so once you have selected duos, and the other thing, you will need to get a second PS5 controller, and once you press on the power button here, you just need to connect it to your PS5. Then it should make you select a user. So if I click on switch user here, then it's going to make you select a user, and you want to sign into a separate account for Epic Games, or a PlayStation account which is connected to Epic Games, and that way it should make you or allow you to play Fortnite Split Screen on the PS5. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.